Officer, you need to go undercover in this. This is the portrait of the target individual. This mission is really dangerous.
Got it, Chief. I'll get the job done. I require a new image.
Perhaps you ought to take some posture lessons.
Thank you very much for your help.
Today at the pub, you can gain his trust.
Yes, sir.